How to link Payoneer to PayPal. First, make sure you have loaded both PayPal and Payoneer. Now, the first step is to click on Get Paid from the Payoneer page. And right here, we need to go to the receiving account page. And after that, we need to create a US account. So just click on Request Accounts, go through the steps, and select US. And it will take a few days to approve your US account. So once you have a US account, in order to send or link your PayPal, just go to your wallet right here and you will see the option to link a bank. Just click on the link to a bank, then open here, and you have to copy the account number, the routing number, and all this important information and fill it in right here. Then click agree and click link. This will link your PayPal to Payoneer. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.